Dear partners, my name is Ainora Adamalieva. Today, I am a member of the board of directors of the Business Process Technologies Company, the head of showrooms, as well as Wellness Asia Center in Kyrgyzstan, which specializes in working with bioresonance devices, including contact devices for electromagnetic therapy. In the course of 6 brief videos, we will consider how a new device of the Business Process Technologies Company, which is called Life Balance Contact, works. To start, it is advisable to look at general information and terms, in case, during the broadcasting, I will tell new words unfamiliar to you. You should write down an unknown term and clarify it on the internet, with sponsors or among your colleagues' partners. This will make understanding easier, help distribute information and use this device correctly. Let's analyze the nature of oscillations. This is important for those who are new to our technologies and need to understand how they work. Each living organism consists of organs, tissues, cells and has its own unique frequencies, which are generators of weak electromagnetic radiation. This is a well-known fact and you can find a lot of information in open sources. In the process of life, they exchange with the environment with substances, information, energy. Oscillations that occur inside the body, at the same time, are of an electromagnetic nature and are called internal oscillations. They can be measured using electrodes and special devices. Normal oscillations in the human body are called harmonic, or physiological oscillations, when the body works within the normal range. If there are any disturbances in the work of an internal organ or cell, the oscillations that occur in the body are called disharmonic, or pathological oscillations. Oscillations entering the body from the environment or special devices and affecting it are called external oscillations. These effects are harmonic when they help the body restore its work. They have a disharmonic spectrum if they disrupt and have a negative effect on the human body. You will often meet terms such as endogenous effect, or endogenous therapy. Let's consider it. Endogenous effect is a therapy with the body's own, internal, electromagnetic oscillations, after their special processing. There is no external influence here and only internal oscillations of our systems and organs are used. The human body has oscillations of an electro. What results we can get? Rapid recovery of the body state by eliminating disharmonic, pathological, oscillations. Strengthening of normal, harmonic, physiological, oscillations. Activation of adaptation reserves, increasing the body's defenses and resistance to negative environmental influences. Maintaining physiological homeostasis, dynamic balance in the body. With dynamic balance, the body will be able to work independently. The next term will also come up often, exogenous effect. Exogenous therapy is the effect on the body of external electromagnetic oscillations of low intensity, of a strictly defined form and frequency, with which individual organs and systems of a person enter into resonance. For example, with magnetic fields which are created by special generators. One of such exogenous therapy devices is the Life Balance device. Exogenous effect allows you to eliminate existing parasites in humans, viruses, protozoa, fungi, bacteria, helminths. Due to the basic principle of operation, directional resonant frequency exposure. It will also ensure that the resulting toxins are eliminated by bringing in specific frequencies. What an exogenous correction gives us. Eliminates many types of pathological infections and parasites that are already present in the human body. Effectively and safely conducts deep cleansing of toxins. Helps forward to the prevention of the development of many diseases. Quickly and effectively restores the functions of organs and systems. Increases the body's immunity and resistance to the effects of negative environmental factors. Activates own reserves of adaptation. Let's get acquainted with our new product, Life Balance Contact. Life Balance Contact is a new generation of bioresonance devices from Business Process Technologies. If we figure out what the device consists of, it's a comfortable and beautiful case. 2 rubber cords. Straps with contacts. they are comfortably attached to the arms or legs. A contact cord with one common USB input. A charger for charging the device, and there is also Passport, which I recommend to be sure to open. It has a QR code with a link to the Lifestyle Knowledge Base. Before using the device, you should open, study, read, watch a video that shows a detailed overview of our device. Only after that, you should start using this device. If we talk about the advantages of Life Balance Contact, we can safely say that this is the world's first portable device that embodies the contact principle of directional bioresonance effect, which embodies the endogenous and exogenous correction of the body state. Programs with automatic selection of frequencies and the possibility of programming an individual complex for an additional effect that activates the body's own forces. This is another know-how in our company, something that is not in other contact devices. LBC is intended for individual use at home, in order to prevent diseases and safely restore health. It is not a medical device. Therefore, you can use the device at home, without additional medical education or skills. You will receive all the necessary knowledge within the framework of our school, as well as in Lifestyle Business Process Technologies, section, Knowledge. The device has ready-made complexes developed and tested by doctors and scientists. They are adjusted for maximum results in a short period of time, which allows a wide range of users to use them safely, following the instructions. LBC is a device for sequential exposure to endogenous and exogenous low-intensity electromagnetic oscillations of a strictly defined shape and frequency, causing a resonant response in the body. That is, the effect goes sequentially, endogenous, and then, exogenous. The process is repeated at each stage of the device operation. How it works. Electromagnetic oscillations enter the body directly through the electrodes, due to which the effectiveness of the effect on pathogenic processes is increased several times. At the same time, the technology remains safe for humans. Consistent use of endogenous and exogenous methods of body correction complement and reinforce each other. In other words, Life Balance works at a distance and is a contactless device. A prerequisite for working with the Life Balance contact device is contact with the human body through special wires and using electrodes. For best results, using together with the Life Balance device and under testing supervision by Life Expert Profi is recommended. It can be combined with other health-improving methods of restoring health. With what indications it should be used? Complex prevention of any infectious and parasitic diseases. Restoration of the work of the main functions of organs and systems of the body. Express help in acute conditions. Looking more broadly, there is a wide range of conditions in the body where the Life Balance contact device can help solve the underlying problem and cause of this condition, as well as restore and maintain an optimal level of health. Let's consider the states. Allergic conditions, diseases and disorders of the central nervous system, endocrine disorders, intestinal tract disorders, urogenital system, musculoskeletal system, peripheral nervous system, autoimmune diseases. This is a long process, so it is important to consult with professionals who have worked with our technologies for a sufficient amount of time and have some experience in using Life Balance contact for any condition of your health. Regardless of the body state, there are only a few contraindications that you must remember when our device can be used, and when it is not recommended categorically. There are no contraindications for endogenous exposure, however, relative contraindications are mental illness and difficulty in contact with a person. Exogenous therapy, contraindications, pregnancy, 1 trimester, transplantation. Why are these 2 points a contraindication? Because through the use of these technologies, especially some programs, we get an increase in immunity. This can provoke a miscarriage and rejection of a living organ in a person who has been transplanted to him. This takes place because throughout their life, these people use special preparations, immunosuppressants. This is necessary in order to keep the immune system under control and prevent it from rejecting a new organ. Any radiation from electromagnetic devices on the human body with the presence of a pacemaker can cause a malfunction of the heart, as a result, stop and death. Neoplasms, only under the supervision of a doctor. I do not recommend using it yourself, without consulting a specialist. Relative contraindications. Violation of blood clotting, individual intolerance to electric current, injuries and diseases of the skin in places of electrical stimulation, a state of acute mental arousal or intoxication. In the next video, we will analyze in detail what is necessary to be done to prepare your body for working with the Life Balance Contact device. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If something is not clear to you, I recommend that you watch this video again from the beginning and clarify everything necessary so that in the future, the work will be effective.